increase the thickness of the crystal exposed to the beam increases with a corresponding increase in pressure. Especially considering the approximate nature.
Oak Ridge is a laboratory which has a long history in developing material science and new materials to solve problems of national importance.
No single discipline can deliver atoms to application vision alone.
But the lab has a deep history of working in large teams.
Collaborative teams within ORNL are able to integrate expertise and create workflows that connect flagship strands of ORNL in neutrons, in computing, and in material science.
We're trying to discover sort of new things about the universe, which doesn't immediately sound like it's connected to national security or energy. But by doing this, we have to develop some of the best novel radiation detectors. My project is looking for a very rare decay happening inside a nucleus. We have to build a detector that's never been made before. And if we're able to observe something like this decay, it allows you to detect anything.
Neutrons tell you where the atoms are and what the atoms are doing. The role of atoms to applications in that is fundamental understanding of the atomic structure and the dynamics of atoms in materials.
When we think about materials discovery or looking at any complex system, we're interested in how energy, information, and materials move around, interact, and transform. And so the CNMS has all of the tools necessary to understand, to measure, to watch how materials transform, how energy moves, and how information is exchanged.
Neutron scattering is needed to discover, synthesize, and characterize novel materials because neutrons can see inside the materials. This is how we scale up and turn an understanding of a mechanism in a new material to a component in a critical technology.
What the researchers at Oak Ridge National Laboratory are doing, trying to develop innovative technologies to outperform these conventional processes. So the nearest focuses on the separation of rare earth elements with improved efficiency that are used in various different energy technologies, such as in magnet production and manufacturing.
The exciting thing about atoms to applications is it goes across all of the areas of science at the laboratory, from what we do in neutron sciences, physical sciences directorate, to biosciences.